So I was just walking around and I saw this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So probably it's pretty light. So probably it's broken or something. But it feels pretty light, so I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have a battery or something. Yeah, look, so light it is. You can pick it up like easy. Battery is probably in there. What's this? Oh, nice. Flip the... It's not working, you know. Single, dual. Yep, something is wrong with it, so it's probably best that I take it home and try to fix it. It's actually not that light, but I need to crack this lock somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but otherwise the bike is looking good. Nice brakes, and it's probably fast, huh? I don't know much about scooters, but it should be fast. Look at the size of this thing. You should need a license to ride this thing, man. So yeah, let's go to my garage and try to fix it. Why did they lock it, man? Maybe I could do just this one, this, and pull it out from this side. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Our car is coming. Let's move the beast. You have like 3 modes, I guess. This is single, dual. Can you see it? Just change the single, just one wheel, throw the rear one. Yep. And the dual is both. And you have like mode 1 that goes like 25, I guess. Yep. The second mode goes a bit more, but the third mode third mode is enough, I think, for this. I'm gonna try to do a top speed now, and you probably can't hear me, but I'm gonna try to send it. That's maximum, I think. 75 kilometers per hour, of course. It's not miles per hour because that would be too much.